Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn short sound of U. Okay? Short sound of U. We have already finished the short sound of A, short sound of E, short sound of I, short sound of O, and today we are going to learn short sound of U. What is the sound of A? A says A. What is the sound of E? E says A. What is the sound of I? I says E. What is the sound of O? O says O. And what is the sound of U? Last time I had taught you, yes, the sound of U is A. Sound of U is A. Now see here, children. Let us read together. S-H-O-R-T, short. S-O-U-N-D, sound. O-F, of U. Short sound of U. Short sound of U. The sound of U is A. Sound of U is A. That's why when we pronounce these words, we can hear the sound of A. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. M-U-Z, mug. M-U-Z, mug. B-U-Z, bug. B-U-Z, bug. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. N-U-N, none. N-U-N, none. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. B-U-T, butt. B-U-T, butt. F-U-N, fun. F-U-N, fun. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Z-U-Z, zug. Z-U-Z, zug. So children, when we say these words, we can hear the sound of U, that is A. The sound of U is A. Now, your homework for today is, see here, fill in the blanks using the letter U. Again, fill in the blanks using the letter U. So here you have to fill in the letter U. Like Z-U-Z, zag. M-U-Z, mug. Alright, children? Again, you have another homework, that is, fill in the blanks using A, E, I, O or U. You have to use A or E or I or O or U and make these words correct. Like I will give one example, C-A-R, car. You cannot write C-I-R. Okay, so you fill in the correct letter and do this in your book. Alright, so next class we will learn the vowels. Next class I will come with the topic vowel. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.